If you're seeing a Photopea authentication error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and safest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back to editing without getting stuck in login loops, loading issues, or account sync problems. These fixes are simple, beginner-friendly, and they work especially well when browser settings, cache data, or extensions are interfering with Photopea. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you, and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. That support really helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss future fixes when an app gives you trouble. Alright, let's start with the first and easiest test. Open Photopea in an Incognito or private browsing window. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. This creates a clean browser session without your normal extensions, cookies, or saved site data. If Photopea works fine in private mode, that's a strong sign that something in your regular browsers is causing the authentication error. Now, if the problem still shows up, the next thing to do is disable extensions and ad blockers. Some privacy tools, script blockers, or aggressive ad blockers can interfere with Photopea loading correctly or prevent login tokens from being processed. Turn off extensions like uBlock Origin, Brave Shields, or any browser privacy add-on you use, then refresh the page and test Photopea again. If it starts working after that, you found the cause. Next, if you're dealing with a sync issue or a session that seems stuck, log out and log back in. In Photopea, go to the account option in the top menu, sign out of your account, and then sign back in again. This is a simple fix, but it can clear temporary authentication problems that happen when the session gets corrupted or expires incorrectly. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to clear cookies and local site data for Photopea specifically. This is important because Photopea stores some session and site information in your browser, and if that data becomes corrupted, authentication can fail. Go into your browser settings, find the site data for photopea.com, and delete the cookies, cache, and local storage tied to that site. If your browser shows a padlock icon next to the address bar, you may also be able to open site settings from there and clear data directly. After clearing the site data, go back to Photopea and sign in again. In many cases, this alone fixes the authentication error because you're starting fresh with a clean session. If the issue is still hanging around, do a hard cache reload. This forces your browser to bypass outdated files and fetch fresh versions of the site. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. On Windows, press Ctrl, F5, or Ctrl, Shift, and this can help if the browser is loading an old script or a cached page that's preventing Photopea from authenticating properly. At this point, one of these steps usually fixes the issue. The general order I recommend is test in private mode, disable extensions, log out and log back in, clear site data, and finally force a hard reload. That way, you move from the quickest checks to the more advanced browser cleanup steps without wasting time. If Photopea is still not working after all of that, try opening it in a different browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, just to confirm whether the issue is browser specific. Sometimes the browser itself, not Photopea, is the source of the authentication problem, and that's it. You've now got a complete step-by-step method to fix a Photopea authentication error. If this video solved the problem for you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover another Photopea issue next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.